Hello and welcome to my channel. I chose the title of this video as Talk Like a Professional because in most cases, while speaking or writing to our professional contacts, we miss out on replacing the commonly used English language words with some lesser used, unique words and phrases that sound more professional. So I am going to share with you some words, phrases and sentences that you can use in your verbal or written exchange of communication. My objective is to improve the level of professional English that you use in your communication. Remember, the way you use your English language skills in communicating with people, verbally or in writing, will often form part of their opinion about your professional level. If you find this tutorial and the quality of what you see as useful, then kindly subscribe to my channel because I plan to provide you with more videos to help your English communication skills. You can also let me know in the comments of this video if you would like me to provide you with any support or advice related to careers or job interviews. So let's get started with our on-screen presentation. I will begin by providing you with short start of sentences that can mostly be used in written communication. Here are 8 start of sentence examples. They are related to what you want to say or write, and the basis of these start of sentence phrases is: this is what I possess, this is what I am, this is what I bring with me in terms of my abilities and skills. So let me explain these to you with some examples, starting with this is what I possess. For starting such a sentence in any of your communication, you could start with extensive knowledge of, exceptional leadership qualities, and strong interpersonal skills. Moving on to this is what I am: a highly seasoned senior business leader, a dynamic and innovative professional, an experienced business strategist, or an adaptable professional. And the third example that I find most interesting is when you want to mention your strong professional highlights on either your portfolio, your resume, application, or on a cover letter. That's when you want to say, this is what I bring with me. In this case, you can use well versed with, followed by any technical hard skills or qualifications that you have acquired to what you need to say here. If you need to understand the difference between hard and soft skills, you can watch this video of mine where I explain in detail the differences along with keywords. Next, we move on to some unique skill keywords. And in this video, I provide you with a list of 22 of them. These skill keywords can be used in any of your written or verbal communication. Use these keywords in your verbal conversations, interviews, or on your personal portfolio, projects, profile, or on your CV. There are literally hundreds of them, and I will provide you with many more in the other parts of this video series. Let's go through them together. Business intelligence, strategic thinking, influencing and persuasion, analytical approach, emotional intelligence, systematic approach, informed business decisions, manage stakeholders' relationships. You can also replace stakeholders with customers here. Decision making, cross-cultural communication, critical analysis, problem solving, organized, solution-based mindset, cultural diversity, time management, active listener, develop creative solutions, accountability, integrity, diplomatic and personnel development. I should also mention to you that most of these examples are better used in written communication. In the third and final part of today's video, I am going to show you 15 examples of words that you can use in sentences that sound more professional. So let's read them through together. You can replace the sentences or phrases on the left side with the ones mentioned on the right. Give attention to customers. Focus on our customers. Find the reason for this problem. Identify the root cause of the problem. Give confidence to workers. Motivate our personnel. Get more work. Generate more business. Make sure this does not occur in future. Implement corrective and preventive measures. Thank you for your help. Appreciate your assistance. Give us more information. Provide us with further information. Kindly join us. Looking forward to your participation. Meet the target. Achieve our goals. Find out the problem. Identify the issue. I will reply soon. I shall respond at the earliest. Use new ideas. Encourage innovation. Solve the problem. Resolve the issue. Cut down costs. Minimize expenses. Please inform. Kindly notify. Thank you for being with me till the end. If you need a free copy of this presentation, simply comment below this video and send me your email contact. I thank you again for watching my video, and until my next video, stay safe and healthy wherever you may be. Goodbye.